Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and we are on Kali Linux, and in this video we will learn about Nmap and the basics of Nmap which a beginner should know. So let me tell you, Nmap stands for Network Mapper and it is used by hackers or security professionals to find the security weakness in systems they own or they have permission to test. Okay, so in the Kali Linux it comes pre-installed. You can check the version details like this. It comes pre-installed. So very basic scan is like this. I will scan my own website. You will write nmap and the name of the network or like IP address if you have. So it is giving the information about ports, which ports are open and which are closed. Okay, so you can check your local network as well. Like my local network, my computer IP address is this, and if I want to scan my local network, I will type nmap and I will type the address like this: from 0 to 24 scan all the like devices connected to my router. So it will scan all the devices connected to my router. So as you can see that this is my computer and this is my phone connected to my Wi-Fi currently. Okay, so this is very basic scan. If you like, you want to get the like detail about the services as we did earlier. Like here, like the service is SSH, HTTPS. If you want the version of these services, you can do this like this. As for my bad, as for services, V for the version, and like if we search for this website, it will print the like version of the services currently this website using, so that you can exploit the outdated software. Okay, so as you can see now, it is giving the information of the version as well. This version column is also added as it was not earlier. So if you want a very aggressive scan about a website, so you need to pass capital A flag on the any network you want to do the aggressive scan. So like this aggressive scan will give you OS detection, version detection, script running, like everything it gets, it will give you. Okay, so as you can see, this is giving very much information. Here are SSH host key as well, and very much information given here as you can see. So this is the Nmap, and in this video we learned how to do basic scan, how to detect the services and OS and their version as well using the Nmap. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, subscribe for more such tutorials, and comment if you want part 2 or advanced Nmap scanning. So thanks for watching, and once more, this is a disclaimer that use Nmap only on systems you have your own system or you have permission to test. Okay, thanks for watching.